Welcome back, guys. Today we're just cleaning the XJ and the MJ here, so we're just going to clean them up a little bit. They gotten dirty on me, so I figured it's time to pressure wash them off. So here, let's go ahead and clean them up.
Traveling mountains just to find them out and seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we couldn't higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Alright guys, that's probably it for the video. They're all nice and clean, and it started to rain as well, so I'm just going to head inside, and thanks for watching. I'll clean the inside soon, so be ready for that video. So thanks for watching, I'll see you later.